Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting data, so make a duplicate of the corrupted workbook and work on the copy only. Next, disable macros and Trust Center to avoid executing harmful code while you probe the file. Open Excel in safe mode by holding Control when launching, which bypasses add-ins and startup routines. This isolates the problem. Once opened, check file size and sheet tabs. Small size suggests stripped content. Missing sheets indicate structure damage. Proceed to the built-in recovery tools next. Once in Excel, use File, Open, select the file and choose Open and Repair. First try Repair, and if that fails, use Extract Data to recover values and formulas. If Open and Repair is limited, import the workbook via Data Get Data from Workbook. This often extracts tables that the UI hides. Make sure to also try alternate parsers like LibreOffice or Google Sheets. They use different import engines and can recover sheets Excel cannot. After extraction, compare recovered content to the original structure. Finish by checking backups in Windows previous versions or OneDrive version history. Restore a known good copy when available because it's the fastest recovery. If you need deeper extraction, consider reputable third-party recovery tools, but first scan the file with antivirus and research the tool. Safety matters. Finally, if partial data is all you can get, export recovered content as CSV or copy sheets into a new workbook and rebuild formulas and formatting manually. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.